Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can customize theme on Facebook Messenger on Windows. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Facebook and you can go to the Facebook Messenger by clicking on this icon, or if you have Messenger application installed on your Windows, you can directly open the Messenger. Here I'm just going to open up the Messenger from Facebook. Okay, then for example, I'm going to change theme of my group chat. So I'm going to go to my group chat, and then if we want to change the theme or customize the theme, we can click on the group chat's name to open up the group chat setting. And here you can click on change theme. Okay, then you can choose the theme you want to apply to your chat. I'm just going to pick a random theme from here. I'm going to select Happy New Year. Okay, this is how the theme looks like. And then if you want to apply it to your chat, you can click on select. Okay, now as you can see guys, that the theme has been changed. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change theme on Facebook Messenger on Windows. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.